Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Fox Designer 360. Please don't forget subscribe and click the bell icon. How to get more order from Fiverr.com. Well, I have 4 tips that you can get more order and your gig will ranking on the Fiverr page. Tips number 1, social media marketing. Tips number 2, use add-on or plugin. Tips 3, making backlink. Tips 4, buy a order for 50 days. Let's see how to do it. When you use these plugins or add-ons, you must have a Google Chrome, and then open a new tab. Here is a setting option. Go to more tools and extension. Here is right in the Google Chrome Google Chrome Web Store. Check Google Chrome Web Store. Now go to Google Chrome Web Store. Okay, Google Chrome Web Store. Now here is search button. Now search real 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 AUTO real auto real auto refresh. Okay, now check it. Super real auto refresh, super auto refresh pro. So we download super auto refresh. Here is that I download add this plugin. You can here is look at this, add to Chrome. So click this this add-on, then add your Google Chrome. So let's check how it work and how to do it. So go to your gig. Now click here and share. Copy the link, open a new tab and paste. Now you work, click this add-on, and here you not give 50 seconds, you give 30 seconds, at least 30, and then 40 50 you can start. Then start. When this time up, then your page auto refresh. When your page will auto refresh, then automatically click view impression growth. Then your gig will rank on Fiverr top page. So I hope you understand, all of my friends. If you have any question, please message me, comment, and if you like, then share your other friend. I hope only 1 days after you will get 100% result. Your gig will run and impression click view will grow. Then automatically you will get order. But it is my first trips.